Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn and Earn with Yusuf YouTube channel. In this video we will show you how to install Grammarly and Microsoft Word. Okay, as you know that Grammarly is used for to correct our writing. Okay, that is a writing assistant. If we make a mistake, if that is grammar mistake or that is spelling mistake, so it will help us to correct that. Okay, it will help us to write professional writing. Okay, and also you can install the Grammarly and browser, okay, Chrome browser also, to just write professional emails and use in your social media accounts and other platforms. Okay, for that you can need to install the you should install the extension of Grammarly. But in Microsoft Word to use Grammarly, so now let's get started. Okay, so first of all open the browser and then search Grammarly for Windows. Okay, Grammarly for Windows. See, Grammarly for Windows. Open this link. I hope, yeah, first of all you should have account in Grammarly. Okay, after account, so whenever you open that link, so you will came to this page. Okay, desktop Windows, grammarly.com/desktop/windows, and come here, download Grammarly. It is free. Okay, press this button. So by pressing this button you will be able to download this .exe file of Grammarly. Okay, so I have already installed it. Okay, you will see that it shows me that it is already existed. See, enter the download already existed. Okay, skip it. This is the Grammarly. Okay, let's open it. So now let's install this exe file. Okay, double click on this. So it is installing right now. Check it. See, that is installing. Okay, let's wait for that. So let's check it. Okay, it has opened. So now it is installing. Okay, let's move back here. See, if you are not signed in, so you can sign into it. Let's skip it. Okay, and these are some instructions to how to use it. Okay, so now let's skip it also and continue. Grammarly, it is free. Okay, let's close it. That is installed. Okay, Grammarly has installed on our machine. Okay, now let's move and open MS Word. So let's open this blank. So you will see now in this corner the Grammarly. Okay, so let's write something. See, drag and drop widget, change its position. Okay, you can just drag and drop this. Okay, wherever you want, so you can drag it. So this is Grammarly. Let's paste the text. Okay, now we have mistakes in this writing, so it will show us the error. So let's move here. We have three mistakes. Okay, it displayed 3 mistakes. First of all, it is not let's, it is let's. Okay, so let's accept it. It will correct it automatically for us. It is not will, it is will. Okay, see, we should write I will. Okay, accept it. That has corrected. And also we should see this mistake. Okay, that is something not some things. Accept it. So everything is done. Nice job. Okay, this is Grammarly that we has installed. Okay, you can drag and drop wherever you want, so you can place it here. See, this is Grammarly that we have installed on our machine. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video. Thanks for watching. Learn and Earn with Yusuf YouTube channel.